members po ng Elias JTV Band against their manager Beverly Pumikpik Laban-Laban. We already issued to you previous to the press conference a press statement, no? As to why we filed this instant complaint before the RPC of Kidapawan, and the same explained that essentially our stand is the contract is void, not only voidable, meaning anong ibig sabihin yan, wala pong visa yung kontrata po na napirmahan ni Elias dahil po yung kontrata po na iyon ay walang consideration, no? When I say walang consideration, at the time of the signing of the contract in April 2025, April 4 to be exact, right? In Dumaguete City, the same, the Elias Lintukan or Elias JTV Band was already well known not only in the country but abroad as well. He was already a singing sensation. The band itself is widely known, while the manager Beverly Pumikpik